In this video, let's learn how to successfully install Metasploit in your Android device. So let's get started. So guys, all the download links are in the description below, so you can download it directly from there. And now first of all, open the Termux app and type pkg space install wget. So this is the command, pkg space install wget. Now press enter. Now just open the link of Metasploit given in the description and copy and paste the inside link in the Termux and hit enter. Now type ls and you'll see a new file called metasploit.sh. As you can see, this is the metasploit.sh file, and now we have to run it, but first of all let's give permission to this file. So for that, just type chmod space +x space metasploit.sh and hit enter. Now we can run it easily. So for that, type /metasploit.sh and hit enter. Now it will start installing an Metasploit in Termux. As this is a pretty big tool, or you can say large tool, so the time depends upon the internet speed. Now you can pause, you can just grab your phone and put it somewhere, as it's a pretty big tool. So if you have a good pretty internet connection like 20, 30 or 50 mbps, so it will take about 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. So cutting this part of the video. Now to run Metasploit, just type msfconsole, or you can either directly move into the directory of Metasploit. Let me demonstrate you. This is the Metasploit directory. So you can either cd space metasploit -framework, or you can directly run it by typing msfconsole. So just type msfconsole and hit enter. Your Metasploit will start. So for the first boot, it will take about 20 to 30 seconds, around 20 to 30 seconds, yes. So let's enjoy the starting or boot animation of Metasploit. And voila, your Metasploit is ready to go, and you can now start hacking directly from your Android device. So you can check db_status to see whether it is connected to the Metasploit database or not. So in this way you can easily install Metasploit in your Android device. So guys, that's it for this video, and bye bye. Wait, don't close the video. I forgot to say something. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon, so that you will be notified each and every time whenever I upload a new video. That's it for this video guys, and bye bye.